The new iPad mini is great. Great design, great size and great utility. But it does not charge wirelessly. At least till now. We are collaborating with Pitaka to offer you gifts worth over $600. One iPad mini 6, one revolutionary Pitaka Mag Easy stand and one of these super cool, amazing magnetic wireless charging case. The Pitaka Mag Ease Case Pro. The Mag Ease Case Pro boasts of a magnetic charging system at the back which charges your iPad via Type-C. This case keeps your iPad protected, has a little Apple Pencil clip and makes it look cool. The magnets are extremely strong. The case coupled with the Pitaka Mag Ease stand offers a cool setup for your iPad and can maintain the hold just like Apple's MagSafe charger. So what more do you want to know? Head over to the link in our description and participate in the giveaway. Hurry up, the entries close on the 9th of June. The winners will be announced on our Instagram page, so make sure you follow us there. Good luck!